You wake up exhausted. You did not even do anything yet, but you are already drained. Why? Because you spent all night leaking energy, worry, overthinking, replaying conversations. By the time you wake up, your battery is at 30%. This is not about sleep. This is about energy hemorrhage, and nobody teaching you how to stop it. Most people think energy comes from sleep, food, exercise, and it does. But that's physical energy. There is another type, mental energy, and 90% of people are bleeding it. Every time you worry about something you can't control, energy leaked. Replay a conversation from 3 days ago, energy leaked. Scroll mindlessly for dopamine, energy leaked. React to every notification, energy leaked. Argue with someone who won't change, energy leaked. You are not managing your energy, you are hemorrhaging it. And then you wonder why discipline feels impossible, not because you are weak, because you are operating on 20% energy. Here is the truth the Bhagavad Gita understood 5000 years ago. Energy is not just what you do, energy is what you are. Every thought is equals to energy output. Every emotion is equals to energy output. Every reaction is equals to energy output. And here is the law. Whatever you give energy to, you get more of. Give energy to fear, you get more fear. Give energy to discipline, you get more discipline. Give energy to building, you get more results. Energy does not disappear, it transforms. You send it out into the universe, your mind, your body, your environment, and it returns. Same frequency. This is why anxious people attract more anxiety, disciplined people attract more discipline, victims attract more victimhood. Not because the universe is punishing them, because energy returns. Krishna told Arjun on the battlefield, focus your energy on your duty, not the outcome. Why? Because when you give energy to outcome which you can't control, you leak energy into uncertainty. But when you give energy to duty, which you can control, you build energy through action. Arjun was paralyzed, overthinking, worrying, fearing the battle. Krishna did not tell him to think positive. He told him, stop giving energy to fear, give it to action, and Arjun became unstoppable. Not because fear disappeared, because he redirected his energy. Neuroscience now proves this. Dr. Andrew Humberman, Stanford. Your nervous system does not distinguish between real threat and imagined threat. Both consume the same energy. When you worry about meeting tomorrow, your brain releases cortisol, same as if the threat is happening now. Energy spent for nothing. Dr. Joy Dispenza. Where you place your attention is where you place your energy, and energy is the currency of transformation. You don't have unlimited energy, you have budget. And most people spend 80% of their energy budget on thoughts that don't serve them, emotions that don't build them, reactions that don't align with their identity. Then wonder why they can't execute. And here is the protocol. Morning energy audit, 5 minutes. Ask yourself, what am I about to giving energy to today? Make a list. Work on anything builds. Gym builds. Worry about money drains. Scroll Instagram drains. Argue with coworker drains. Now decide. I will only give energy to what builds. Everything else redirect. When worry appears, this is energy. I am redirecting it to action. When distraction appears, this is energy. I am redirecting it to creation. When reaction appears, this is energy. I am redirecting it to discipline. You are not fighting these things. You are redirecting the energy they carry. Evening energy review, 5 minutes. Ask, where did my energy go today? Write it down. 40% on building, good. 20% on worry, wasted. 50% on scrolling, wasted. 20% on execution, good. Next day, increase building, decrease waste. After 30 days, you are operating at 80% energy efficiency. Most people operate at 20%. That's why you will outbuild everyone. Not because you work harder, because you don't leak. Energy is more valuable resource, not time, not money. Energy. Because with energy, you create time and money. Without it, you have nothing. So stop giving it away. To worry, to distraction, to people who drain you, to thought that don't serve you. Your energy is currency. Spend it on what you are becoming. This is the energy principle, part of mental mastery. Full system mm.snmb. Wear your energy snmbcreations.com. Mind first, energy follows, reality conforms.